Have you been facing these types of black dots on your projector screen? If yes, no need to worry. It is very easy to clean a projector. Please note, some projectors may have red or burned colors on the screen, indicating lens damage. Here, we're focusing on removing dust dots from inside the projector. For this demonstration, we're using the Wownect WP55 projector. As you can see, there are some dust dots on the screen. We're going to clean them. For cleaning, you need a small screwdriver and cleaning cotton buds or an airbrush. Today, we're using cotton buds. Let's start the process. Find the mirror cleaning space on the projector and remove the screws. There's also a screw hidden under a seal sticker. Remove that too. As you can see, remove the black plastic part. Some projectors may not have this part. Once opened, you'll see 3 or 4 glass parts inside. We've reached the critical part. Be cautious, this is the main part of the projector, so handle it safely. Dust is usually on these mirrors. If you have an airbrush, you can easily remove small dust particles. If the dust is hardened, use cotton buds. Gently clean both sides of all mirrors with the cotton buds. If you clean the projector while it's on, you can easily spot the dust and clean it effectively. Once you're done, close it up and enjoy your movie without any struggles. If you guys have any doubts or need help completing the task, comment below. If this video was helpful, follow us for more. Thank you.